Over the past few weeks, many people have been asking me, well, what is Serotonian Studio? And is it for me? Well, in today's video, I'm going to answer those exact questions. And we're going to go through a bit about me, my mission, why you should choose Serotonian Studio, if it's suitable for you, and what's to come. So starting off with a bit about me. So for those that don't know, I'm Brendan James. I've been in the music industry for around 2 to 3 years. I've been producing music for over 5 years. I've released on many of the gold labels that you want to release on. I also run my own record label, Serotonian Records and Serotonian Sub. Many of my tracks have been supported by some of the best DJs all around the world in the best clubs. I've also been in the education space, releasing YouTube tutorials for around 2 years now, and I've also been offering one-to-one tuition for about the same time, and I've helped on a one-to-one basis over 250 producers just like you achieve their goals. And all of that has kind of led me to create Serotonian Studio. But most importantly, I am just like you. I am not trying to be a mastermind or a self-proclaimed guru. I'm just another producer wanting to achieve their dreams and their goals. But that is where we slightly differ, because my dreams and goals are not to become the next Marco Carola, nor is it to become the next Jamie Jones, nor is it to become the next Josh Baker, although my hair might tell you otherwise. My goal is to help as many producers just like you achieve their dreams and their goals, get the recognition they deserve, while also making money in the process. And you might be asking, why is that? Well, around 2 years ago, I was able to go full-time with my music career, and it completely transformed my life. I was able to wake up and do something that I love every single day with passion and pride. And if I can help more producers get to that sort of stage in life, then I'm going to live a very happy and fulfilled life. But enough about me and the mission. Then what is Serotonian Studio? Well, it is for deep focused learning with all of our educational resources, whether that's pre-recorded videos, live streams, or one-on-one chats. We also provide useful tools as well, whether that is sample packs, templates, or PDFs and ebooks to help level up your music. Community as well. Serotonian Studio is built for the minimal deep tech scene. I'm really trying to build an ever-expanding community with our Discord, and it is made specifically just for you. And what's inside? Well, at the moment we have 80 plus videos, which is weekly updated, with around 2 to 3 videos going in there every single week. We also have 2 free sample packs on offering at the moment, which is going to be regularly updated, along with 2 free templates, which will be the same principles, which will be regularly updated. Learning resources as well. As I mentioned, it's going to be PDFs, Excel sheets, ebooks, all of the good stuff, which is really going to fast track your learning. The Discord chat as well, which has our community with a track feedback chat, a general chat, a collaboration chat, and it's also where you can enter our remix competitions that we are currently holding on a bi-monthly basis. Direct contact with me, obviously you'll be in the Discord chat where you can contact me, but don't be afraid to hop up and drop me a message on Instagram, whether that's on my personal page or the Serotonian Studio one. I really want your membership to be included on a one-to-one basis, not just pre-recorded video content. You also get access to my whole discography within the Discord chat, so there's about 80 tracks there that you can use for your DJ sets, plus a newly integrated track feedback system, which is coming within the next few weeks. So this is where we hop on a Zoom call for around 30 minutes once every month on a one-to-one basis, going through some track feedbacks, maybe some sticking points that you're having, and really just making sure you're on track to achieving your goals. And all of that is coming in at no extra cost per month. So I guess the question you might be asking now, well, is Serotonian for me? Well, yes, we cover from beginners all the way to up to advanced producers. So if you are a beginner, then you can start watching some of the tutorials that we have on offer to see my teaching style. You could also check out some of the YouTube videos of past as well if you want to see that for free. Then you can hop in the Track from Scratch series 002, which is all about how to make a track from beginning to end using references, which is a really important skill as a producer. And then once you've watched that and followed through the whole series, you can then hop into some of the track breakdowns where you can see what it's like to see inside the project of a fully finished track which has been made outside of an educational space and more in a environment of creativity with lots of tweaking and a lot of time spent on them, because that's how tracks are made. Then moving on to our intermediate producers, we kind of just work in reverse. You can start watching some of the Track from Scratch series, because we have 3 in there at the moment. Then I'd recommend watching some tutorials, touching up on some of maybe your weak areas that you're struggling with, and then finishing up by watching our mixing course, which will get your tracks sounding club ready and hopefully giving that extra push in getting signed to the labels that you want to release on. And then for those advanced producers, you can watch any of our content, because you guys will have a much better understanding of what's going on with music production and the minimal deep tech sounds. So why should you choose Serotonian Studios? So why choose Serotonian Studio? Well, it's for that sound that you specifically want to make, that deep, dark, rolling, minimal tech. If you're not interested in that sound, then honestly, you're better off with other sites. But if you are, this is the place to be. Also, Serotonian Studio, as you kind of gathered, there's no BS involved. There's no different tiering systems or a force in upselling you to get the most out of the membership. Everything that we include, from our pre-recorded content, the live events, the track feedback system, the free sample packs, for free templates, for learning resources, and for community, all in one price point without the need for tiers, is to give you everything that you need to level up your music. Now, we do offer one-to-one tuition and mixing and mastering services at a discounted rate, and that is for those that really want to fast track their learning and level up just that extra bit quicker. But honestly, it's not necessary. The whole point of this membership is to give you everything that you need to learn at your own pace. And also, Serotonian Studio is personal. It's me behind here, and I'm trying to include as much behind the scene details, get you guys involved as well with building the brand. It's not a big corporate thing. At the moment, it is currently me in my tiny little studio, although lovely studio at that. But I want to bring you guys as much along for the ride as possible and see the growth and journey of the platform. So what's coming up next in the short term for Serotonian Studio? Well, we already have our Q1 track breakdowns live inside the site, and we're also starting to create some more shorter, specific tutorials so you spend less time watching videos and more time doing. We also have the next track to release series, so this one's going to be huge, where I show you how to make a track from beginning to end, and then I'm going to show you how to release it as well. In this first one, I'm going to show you how to make your first viral edit. We're going to then have the next Track from Scratch series, which I'm going to let you guys decide on what style and influence we go for building that track, and the discounted one-to-one tuition prices, which is all set up and ready to go inside the site. In the long term, you're going to see some of your favorite producers get entered into Serotonian Studio, and I can't wait for that personally as well, because I want to know how some of my favorite artists are making their tunes. We're also going to start introducing new coaches as well, so on a weekly basis you'll see content from myself, but hopefully over the next sort of 6 to 12 months you will see new coaches in there releasing content on a regular basis. We're also going to be providing more tools, so more sample packs, more templates, more PDFs, more ebooks, all of that good stuff, and the track feedback system, which, as I previously mentioned, is live way sooner than anticipated. And if all that's not enough, then what would you like to see inside Serotonian Studio? I really want to make this a platform for the producers so they get the most out of it, so please let me know in the comments below what type of content or features you would like to see in the site that I haven't already mentioned. And lastly, I just wanted to say a massive thank you for all the support over the years. Whether you sign up to Serotonian Studio or not, I really don't care. I just want the best for you guys, and that's why I will continue to put out free educational content on the YouTube channel, plus on my other social media platforms, leaving my inbox open for everyone if you've got a question or you just want to chat. So thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in another one very, very soon.